is the Kuwait Road. And she is eating a Habibi.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Habibi, come to Dubai. So she is eating a gummy bears. So there is the frame there. So but as you can see, there are flowers and they already took the one in the middle because I guess it's already getting old. So but we are walking. Maybe it's like 15 minutes walk from her school. She went to her German class today. It's hot. See, there's the bus. Here in Dubai, the bus where you wait for the bus is air conditioned. There. So you can go inside there while you're waiting for the bus. Yan, kasi mainit dito sa Dubai. So the government of Dubai makes the bus where you wait for the bus air conditioned. And then there's the metro, there's the train. We're almost there. So ito, mga villa to. And then as you can see, there is also the Burj Khalifa. So ito yung waiting area ng mga bus. So yan. At saka, imagine may ano dito, may, anong tawag dyan? Yung alum-alum. See? There and there. Good for
Your
eating.
bag is so heavy.
Really? Give me your bag. There's a mango tree. May ano siya, may bunga. Or may bulaklak pa lang. So yan, oh. Mangga. There's the bulaklak. Yan. And then ito rin, oh. Mangga din. Marami silang mangga na puno. Balikid pa siya. Yan. Yan, so we are going to take the ABCD metro station. We're going to go there. And then the next station from ABCD is the Borjuman station. So the other side, if you cross the road, it's the Al Karama. So hindi ako masyadong familiar dito kasi we live on the other side. And this is on the other side. Yan. Mas traffic kasi dito. Compare mo siya sa if you compare it sa where we live. And then dito, mas maraming tao dito. And mas traffic siya. So, tingnan mo yung traffic nun o sa kabila. Sa main road. Maraming sasakyan. Tingnan mo, may maraming ibon sa puno na to. Wait, zoom in ko. Yan, marami sila dyan sa taas. Look at that. O, tingnan mo. Ang dami nila. Wow! See, they want to be in the video also. So, marami sila
And there's
dyan.
someone walking around without a shirt.
Dyan. O, diba? There's a lot of them. Yan, marami sila dyan.
Napo, it's a office.
Sorry kung medyo mabilis ako maglakad kasi mainit. So maraming, I don't know, what kind of birds are they? Ibang klaseng ibon yun. Hindi naman, like they are not pigeon, so I don't know what are they. Yan. Wow, you have to go all the way there. Ang init talaga. Yan, the metro. Wait. The train is coming. Ay, nako. Ay! And then the bus is also coming. There is the train. Yan, going yan sa ABCD Metro Station. And then there is the station. And then that's my daughter, as always. Yan. So we have to go all the way still there to take the metro. So marami din ibon sa kabila. But it's not as much as the other one, the other tree. So, yan. There's something on the tree. Let me see. I want to see. Curiosity kills the cat. Digitizing Perennia Local Trees Project. This tree is protected by law. O, diba? Yan din. So, you cannot just cut this
Cannot
tree
cut it down.
because it's protected by law. Buti pa yung tree protected by law, diba? Yan. Siguro ano na yan, old tree. Kaya it's protected by law. So ito yung sa kabila, across the street is the Alcarama. Yan. If you go there, no, I said if you go there, it's like you're in the Philippines. Marami ding mga Pilipino na nakatira dyan. Yan. Saka may peryahan sa ano, joke. There's like a small fun area for the children. There on the other side. Yan. We're almost. You have no water? Where's your water?
In my stomach.
You drink it already. I forgot to tell you also that you have to get some water. I have some drink here, but I don't know if you like it.
What is it?
It's like you check. Ah, there's a bird. Yan sila. Yan yung mga bird na ano.
Mango and passion fruit.
Yeah, you can try it if you like. If you don't like, so I think, yan. It's so hot, my face. My face is very red already. See that area there? Always traffic yan dyan. So many trucks. So many cars.
It's like baby.
So many cars and buses. Yan.
It tastes like baby corn.
Doesn't taste good.
I don't like it.
Yan. I want to be in the shade. So that is the ADCB metro station.
Maybe if I put water in it.
I will buy you water. Ah, there's another train. Yan. So it will go there.
Did I make it?
Yeah. So yan. Next Saturday we have to bring our umbrella.
But Papa will already be here.
No? We will come back on Sunday. Sunday evening.
Papa,
Papa, come back. We need you.
no.
Yeah.
The aftertaste is good, but I don't like it.
So we are almost here. I don't want to make a video with the people's faces as much as possible. There's the train going. And so this is the station. ADCB say metro station. Yan. Ah, at last we made it.
Never in my 13
Yeah.
years.
So there's an elevator. So I guess that's it for now. I have to take the elevator now. So we came from there and then we went up. So yeah. Ay, barely.
Tangdaan.
Ibo, ibo. Thanks for watching, guys. So we are going home already. Bye bye till the next video.